Looking for a new and delicious way to enjoy your breakfast? No need to look any further. This keto French toast egg loaf recipe is the answer. It's an easy and delicious version of a classic favorite that will leave you wanting for more. With only 1.4 net carbs per serving, this protein-packed breakfast will give you the energy you need to start your day off with a bang. Before you start, set your oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Thoroughly coat your loaf pan with grease, then line it with parchment paper to get the best results. Now it's time to prepare the egg loaf batter. Blend all the ingredients together in a bowl, using a hand mixer until you get a consistent mixture. Pour the egg loaf batter into the baking pan and place it in the oven. Bake for 28 minutes until it's golden brown. Let your keto egg loaf rest for about 15 minutes until it is slightly warm before removing it from the loaf pan. Enjoy your super delicious keto French toast egg loaf as it is, or better yet, toast it and add some sugar-free maple syrup for a mind-blowing breakfast treat.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.